The KW House, designed by Eugenio Simonetti, is a modern residence nestled within a preserved native forest in southern Chile, offering breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. The first floor of the house functions as a seamless extension of the forest, featuring an open-plan layout with glass walls that invite the outdoors in, while maintaining a comfortable indoor climate through advanced thermal insulation and energy-efficient windows. The unique design incorporates 3 staircases that serve as structural elements and circulation pathways, enhancing the home's integration with its natural surroundings. The second floor is designed for rest and relaxation, featuring private suites with minimalistic interiors that prioritize comfort and privacy. The use of natural materials, such as Lenga wood, and strategic window placement creates a serene environment that maximizes natural light while offering expansive views of the Cerduo mountain range. The home's thoughtful design also includes elements that ensure sustainability and low maintenance, such as a metal exterior coating that withstands the region's harsh weather conditions. Overall, the KW House is a testament to innovative design that harmonizes modern living with the beauty of nature, creating a unique sanctuary